touch, that's fine for you. I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you.
Pool.
Hey guys, so I started a vlog earlier when I took my son to watch some boys and girls playing football. So I went with a couple of my friends, you know. The thing is, I am, if you know, you know, but I am a single mom and I'm raising a son. So like, there are certain things that he probably will never experience. And this is me being so vulnerable right now. I mean, I fight tears. I'm not gonna cry. I don't even know if I'm gonna put this clip in. But there are certain things that he probably won't experience because he doesn't have an active dad right now. I don't know what the Lord has in store for me. But yeah, you know what I mean. So I try, when I can, I try to take him to boy stuff, you know, forget certain kind of experiences and whatever, but do what I can do as a mom. You know, I can never be a dad, but I do what I can do. So I took him to that. It's way later in the night now. I'm not gonna go off too much on that note because that's a very touchy topic for me, and I don't think I'm ready to, you know, I don't think I'm ready to unpack all of that on here just yet. I probably will, I probably won't, but I don't really want to go too much into that because I'm gonna end up get sad and start ball and tear down the place and whatever. Can't bother with that right now. So I'm just sitting here in the living room. It's way later in the night and I'm just chilling, and I got a little sad feeling just come over me. I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes, you know, you just dead and you just chill and relax and then you just feel sad. That happened to nobody else? That happened to me just now. So I remembered also in that moment that I didn't introduce this week's vlog. So happy Sunday. It's the beginning of another weekly vlog. I'm not sure what kind of adventures or what we are going to do this week, but thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like and comment and share and all of the good stuff. But at least if you notice that you are not subscribed to my channel right now while you're watching this part of my video, just go ahead and subscribe. It really helps out a lot. And also comment. And the nice, I don't know already, Kai and the nice. So it's night time. I'm sorry about the lighting and whatever, but I really wanted to come on and just, sometimes the thing with me is I don't share a lot of what I go through on a daily with like people around me, both friends and family, mainly because I don't feel like, yeah, understand enough, you know, probably say things will get better and whatever. It's just nothing that anyone can say when you're feeling some type of way that will make you feel any better. And I'm not trying to make them feel, I'm not trying to let them feel bad for not having the right thing to say, if you know what I mean. So because of that, like, I keep a lot of things to myself, and it's just one of those times when everything just crumbles. So yeah, one of them moments there. But take up the camera so me can do cry, really and truly. Can't take the ball in right now. But yeah, I'm watching a YouTuber, one of my favorite YouTubers, which is Chelsea Janae. My YouTubers usually put me in a better mood, so I'm watching her, and then I see Taja posted as well, so I'm gonna watch Taja when I'm done and just continue watching my YouTubers until I fall asleep. So ain't nothing going on today or anything, so I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow hopefully, or in the next clip. Bye. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and I'm about to go on the road. It's raining, but I need to go and get an airdrop for my son. So that's what I'm going about. I want to hurry up and go and come right back. So I'm also gonna pick up the chair for his desk, for his room, for this homework setup. I haven't been picking up the camera much, but don't read too much into it. Just I go through it, you know, but I'm still a trifle. I'm still trying to be consistent though. So let's just run on the road. So it's airdrops, the chair for his desk, and something for eat because I'm not cooking. Popeyes have mac and cheese and I want to try it. So I think we're gonna go to Popeyes. I'm gonna check if I have my card. I do not. Guys, I soon come.
Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like me, they chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. But so plain bear more. You go do your one time, I go for one time, I'm not to buy mess up.
Alright guys, so we came back here to get the chair. So this is the one that we're gonna get. I think this one is a little bit too big. I don't really want no color. I want something more, you know? Yeah, so I'm gonna use that one. Guys, I just got back and of course I stopped at Popeyes. They now have mac and cheese on the Jamaican menu, so I'm gonna try it. It look a little bit coming there. Little bit, but I'm gonna try. Rihanna, if you watch this, don't come for me. Tastes good. I would buy again. Should I buy one big one? Anyways guys, I'm gonna eat. I'm hungry. What kind of flavor is this one? Guys, I have not picked up the camera in days. The last clip I think was after why everything I drive when I ride past. No, what is that one? No. I haven't picked up the camera in days. The last clip I think I left off was when I was watching the Tyler Perry movie Divorce in the Black. Whack. Like, Tyler Perry, get it together, because at this point I forgot read it. I don't know, I forgot see what I can find. Something wrong with Tyler Perry. Tyler Perry like to see women, he likes to put women through some stuff. Like, I never love the show. It is pointless to me. I mean, it's the same plot as it usually is with all I movie them, but I don't know, it didn't stick out to me. So anyways, that was the last clip. This week was not eventful at all. I was mostly home because I wasn't so, you know, I wasn't feeling so well. I haven't been myself this week. I know I started off the vlog a little in a somber mood because that's how I've been feeling all week, and I didn't know why until, was it Wednesday, when my monthly came, and I'm like, oh, that's why me a ball so I'm so emotional and whatever. So that's what happened for this week. The vlog was pretty much uneventful, but I'm open to watch it still. Today's Saturday, by the way. I was even supposed to get up this morning and go to church. Tomorrow is the funeral that I have to attend. I will not take you guys to a funeral, but I'm supposed to go to another football game this Sunday, which you might not see until next week's vlog, because I'm posting this vlog tomorrow regardless of what's in it. Alright guys, so we're a week into these boho braids and the tagline is not that bad at all. I can't ever complain, but today I'm gonna do a little refresh on them. And I found a hack on TikTok, so I'm gonna use the got to be. So the hack is, right, you're gonna brush out each curl. I'm gonna do them one by one. If you're lazier than me, cause me lazy, I'm gonna do them one by one. But if you don't want to do them one by one, I guess you can do 2 by 2 or whatever is comfy for you. But I'm gonna do 1 by 1 because at one time I do this. Just gonna grab some of the glue, put some of the glue on the back of my hand, and then after you detangle, you get it from the root where it starts, and you put the got to be on the curl. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wrap it around my finger, you know, for just tighten the curl a bit, because this is a wave. I'm gonna just keep it around my fingers for like 2 minutes and then pull it out. See, you still get back a little wave right here. This is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, no matter how short it was, and I'll see you in next week's vlog. I promise it will be better. Please get some of your friends to subscribe to my channel. I need some subscribers. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible, so just subscribe if you haven't. If you notice that you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. And you know, the camera always a pass. Like, if I don't want thing, it's the next. But sorry for the noise in the background. Subscribe if you haven't already. Tell a friend, tell another friend, and just come on and subscribe. I promise it only gets better from here, because we already did the hours, right? So I'll see you in the next one.